Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about um, two-step equations. Now, why two-step equations? Is because what you see here is that there is a multiplication between 3 and x. 3 times x means 3x means 3 times x, and there is a subtraction by 1. So if we want to isolate for the x, we have to undo two operations, and that's why this is called a two-step equations solving. So the first thing we need to do is to get rid of this one here. Since the one is subtracting, I'm going to add a one on the left side of the equation, and whatever I do on one side, I have to do on the other side. So now I have these two canceling out, and so what I have now is 3x on the left side, and on the right side I have to work with these two. So 5 plus 1 is a 6, and now I need to get rid of the 3. So I know that 3 is multiplying the x, so the opposite operation of multiplication is division. So if I divide by a 3, then the multiplication by 3 and the division by 3 will cancel. I need to remember to divide both sides by 3, because what I do on one side, I have to do on the other side. And 6 divided by 3 is a 2. Now this one here is slightly different. We are going to use what is called a distributive property. Okay, distributive property means it's like giving out Halloween candies. We are distributing Halloween candies. So we're going to take this 4 and we are going to multiply it into the bracket to the 2x. So I will have 4 times 2x, and I keep the negative because there's nothing changing there. And then now I multiply the 4 times the 1 there. So 4 times the 1. And so what I have now have is n equal to -6. So now here 4 times 2 is 8, so that is 8x. And 4 times 1 is a 4, so we have that. Now again, like the last problem that we did, I need to get rid of this subtraction by 4, and so the opposite of subtraction is addition. So I'm going to add 4 on both sides. So when I do that, the 4 they cancel out, and what I have now is an 8x equals the -6. If I add a 4 to it, I get a -2. For the last step, I need to get rid of this 8, and the 8 is multiplying the x, so divide by x, and you have to do that on both sides, and so cancel, x equal to 1 over 4 negative, and leave the answers as it is. Okay, these answers are called exact answers. There's nothing wrong if you put them into your calculator and get the right answer. You will get something like x equals -0.25, but I prefer the exact answers, and it's a good idea for you to learn how to do that as well. Coming to the third example, here the 3 is adding to the left side. So to undo the addition, I'm going to do a subtraction, and I need to do that on both sides of the equal to sign. So cancel. I only have the -5 on the left now. 13 take away 3 is a 10. And so now, to get rid of this -5, we have to divide by 5, and you do that on both sides, divide by -5. And so the -5 cancels, and x equals -2. See you in the next video.